Hey guys, it's Max with GTN Official here, and today I'm going to be unboxing and assembling the Cabo Cruiser Elite Max electric scooter. Let's get right into it with the unboxing. Alright, so now that the scooter is unboxed, we're going to start by putting on the handlebars. To do this, simply slide the slot on the handlebars over the corresponding area on top of the scooter. The handlebars should fall right into place. Before I moved on, I went ahead and removed the bubble wrap from the handlebars so they could be seen in all their glory. Inserting the key into the slot underneath the seat causes the seat to open up, revealing a storage area, which contains many of the parts needed to assemble the scooter, such as tools, screws, and the pedals. The mirrors install easily. Simply screw them into the designated area on the handlebars using the included bolt on each mirror to adjust their height to your liking. Additionally, the mirrors are fully adjustable, so you can move them in any direction that best suits your needs. These are the parts and tools contained under the seat that we will be using to assemble various things throughout the remainder of this video. Let's continue the assembly with the trunk using the parts pictured here. Begin by opening the trunk with the included key and taking out the mat. Next, align the 4 screws and washers with the holes in the bottom of the trunk. Then proceed by securing the bolts onto the underside of the trunk and ensuring that all the screws have been properly screwed in. Now that your trunk is installed, you should be able to open it using the trunk key, which is separate from the ignition key. Now we are going to be securing the handlebars using the screw assembled as shown. Use the included bolt to secure the screw. Next, we are going to be taking the scooter off of its stand, which is done by removing the long screw that goes through both the scooter and the stand. This will allow us to attach the front wheel. Attaching the front wheel is as simple as fitting it into the frame and hammering the same long screw from before into place, then tightly securing the wheel with the included bolt. The front cover snaps into place and can be screwed in using 3 screws, 1 on the front and 2 on the back. Installing the front fender is easy. Simply place the bolt over the screws, align the screw holes on the fender with the ones on the scooter, and screw each of the 4 screws into place. And that's it! Your Cabo Cruiser Elite Max is now completely assembled. Be sure to fully charge it before your first ride and to ride responsibly. Thanks for watching!